Have you ever stood in a garden and felt like it was speaking to your heart? Gently, quietly, beautifully? A garden is more than soil and greenery. It's a living space, a sanctuary, and sometimes a silent storyteller. And just like any good story, every detail matters. The placement of a single bench, the curve of a lantern-lit path, or a statue nestled beneath a tree. These are the whispers that bring your garden to life. Thoughtfully chosen and intentionally placed, these small touches create balance, beauty, and an atmosphere that lingers in memory. Today, we'll explore how the art of placing garden decor, from rustic pieces to elegant accents, can completely transform the way your space feels. In the quiet dance of sunlight and shadow, the art of garden decor placement unfolds like a gentle poem. Think of a delicate bird bath placed near low-growing flowers, or a wide wooden bench beneath the generous arms of an old tree. The best decor doesn't shout. It speaks softly, like punctuation in a peaceful sentence. Always let the surrounding space decide the size of your decorative voice. A garden should never feel staged. The best decor feels like it grew there naturally. Place a lantern where the last ray of sunlight touches in the evening. Let a weathered statue peek out from a wall of ivy, half seen, half imagined. Consider how people move through the space, what they see first, what surprises them next. Think in layers like a painting. Let each decorative element appear almost by accident, as if the garden itself put it there. Your home, your plants, your paths, they all speak in a certain visual language. Make sure your decor speaks the same one. A Zen-inspired corner needs minimalism and stillness. A cottage garden loves whimsy, old watering cans, and vintage iron. A modern space pairs well with sleek lines and sculptural elements. But don't overdo it. Avoid perfect symmetry or too many matching pieces. Instead, think of your decor as gentle pauses in nature's flow, not the main act, but beautiful supporting notes in the melody. Not every garden is perfect, but that's what makes it human. A dull fence, a plain wall, or a utility area can be turned into a feature. Use tall planters, vertical flower beds, hanging baskets, or outdoor art panels to disguise and decorate. Let mirrors bounce light into shady corners. Repurpose old items, a broken wheelbarrow turned into a flower cart, or a vintage ladder used for cascading pots. Good decor doesn't just decorate, it elevates, conceals, and reimagines. In the end, your garden should reflect not a magazine page, but your personality, your memories, your sense of peace. The true art of garden decor lies not in how many things you place, but in how thoughtfully you place them. Let each item tell a part of your story. Let each corner feel alive with mood, meaning, and mystery. And most of all, let your garden be a space where beauty isn't just seen, it's felt. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, which corner of your garden do you want to transform next? More beauty is always just a few steps and a few ideas away.